meet you in the South. So I'm about to show y'all like a quick house tour so I can show you guys kind of, you know, like where we're staying and so forth. So yeah, when you first come into the house, there is a mirror type deal thing. He's taking photos. There's like a big window right here, like a nice little chair. This is the sitting area. They have a pretty big size TV going on. I really like these windows. They're like windows, but then they have like these shutters. This is the seating area. This is the bar type deal area they got going on. Somebody please be responsible for housekeeping. I will. Got a nice little speaker that's right there. This is the first bedroom. Very nice. They have like nice hardwood floors. This is the master bedroom. Oh, there we go. Nice little chandelier setting. That's really pretty. They have a TV. They have cable, which is great. They have a nice tub they got going on in here. Let me turn on my other light. I really like that this marble countertop that they have. They have some really nice light fixtures as well. And it's like super clean in here, like very, very clean. That's the shower area. I think it's a light that you can turn on in here. Yeah, and they have look at that shower head, bro. Lovely. And then they kind of sit you up with, you know, some Nexus hair products. We go to the other bedroom. This is the other bedroom, bathroom. Nice little shower head. Mirror area. Bathtub. Sink. This is really nice. I like that. This is bedroom number 3. Nice and cozy, you guys. The house is fucking beautiful, y'all. Like, if y'all ever come to ATL and y'all looking for an Airbnb, I would recommend staying here. I would list actually, I can't really list it. I mean, I can't do that. But if you ever are on Airbnb and want to like stay somewhere, go on Airbnb and look up, I think it's like West Historic End or something where we're staying in. I'll put like sort of the information in obviously I'm not gonna put the address, but you guys know what I mean. I'll put the host name and stuff like that so you guys will know. Actually, when we first got here, believe it or not, the alarm actually went off because we had like this key fob and we didn't really know how to work it. So the lady next door, she actually like cleans the house and she knows the code and all that stuff. So she helped us, no problem. She was very, very helpful. So like I said, I really, really recommend staying here. I'm actually in this room kind of talking to you guys because it's kind of loud out there. I know you guys hear the music. We're about to go get something to eat. I'm gonna try to vlog, you know, some footage out there. This time, I'm gonna actually get some footage because last time when I went to Vegas and I tried to get footage for you guys, yeah, that was a shitty vlog, definitely, because all I was filming was me dancing and twerking and whatever. But yeah, we're about to get something to eat, so stay tuned.